Hey guys, so quick video for you if you want to get the Flagship 1600, like quick, just like reasons why you shouldn't. Now, the thing is huge, okay? You can even check out the 1200 if you're looking for some kind of like alternative, because how huge it is, and it's like on the heavier side, um, so it takes a while to heat up and choose through the pellets. So even that is going to like eat up because how much stuff there is. So the most important thing is to understand if you are going to actually like use the space for it. Because people like bought it because they're like, oh my god, it's so good, it looks so great. But in the moment when they got it, they weren't really using it. And for like heat up, it takes time. Okay, so that's probably it with the kind of like item what you can expect, that you can have like smoke, barbecue and everything there. So a great smoker, 6 months, was like plenty of people posted reviews, so it's a good thing, but you have to kind of like be aware and what you can actually expect from it. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.